Christmas release has been delayed. Why?
Mum's made her decision. She's avoiding me for sure.
You're a hard man to pin down.
Just the way I like it.
I'm not trying to hurt you or make things worse. I want to help. Give you the opportunity to tell your side of the story. What was going on in your mind?
I've no idea what you're talking about.
Hello? Yes? Oh, I'm sorry. Fine. No problem. You're being released today.
We're in a bit of a rush.
We've got time for one coffee.
We haven't.
Look, Mum, we just want to make things right.
We can't make things right. Thanks to you wading in and dropping Mitchell in it. We could have sorted it. You know, like, fix things between ourselves.
I was just trying to do the right thing by Lisa.
No, you saw an opportunity to stick the knife into Mitchell and you took it.
Well, it's not my fault he was still so mad about her affair with Dad. It's the truth.
The truth is, you never got over your jealousy of him. No matter how you put a front on it. If Mitchell did do it, then you should have left it to the police instead of interfering and breaking my heart.
Yeah, well, I never meant for that.
Well, that's what you got. And I'm done.
Oh, that bench pressing's paid off, hasn't it?
Giuseppe.
What's in there?
Well, it's a Christmas sack. It's got a bauble attached. Let me have a think.
I mean, who's it from?
Oh, got no name on it, nothing. Yeah.
They can't be for us, then. Hang on a minute. This one's got Luke's name on. Who's done this knowing we're skint? It's a Christmas miracle.
It's no miracle. This is James going way over the top and crossing the line again.
Before you go, there's the matter of your confession.
What I said yesterday. I was confused. I didn't know what I was saying.
Despite this change of heart, the CPS is still going to listen to my version of our session and take it seriously.
I meant what I said about my childhood. It was tough. I made mistakes and I've got regrets, but haven't we all? But I don't want to be that man anymore. And if you go to the police with a made-up story, I am never going to have the chance to change, to be better.
Some might say that's convenient.
I just need people like you to believe me.
Oh, I'd say you need me right now.
I don't want to be in here for the rest of my life. I've got kids, a girlfriend, a life that I want to get back to. Look, and I know what I need to do.
Need to do or want to do?
I want to change for my kids, not just for me. That is the biggest incentive for any man. I mean that.
But you still need to face your demons in order to fix yourself. But it's this prison you can't escape from, Warren. But I will keep quiet about this misunderstanding.
Thanks, Pearl. Honestly, I'm fine.
I heard you and Mitchell were very happily married once. So this news must have shaken you to your core.
I'll be okay.
Promise me you won't suffer in silence. That is not a good thing.
I know where you are. Hello? Oh, hiya, doll. Oh. No, yeah, of course I will. No, listen, me and her will have an absolute ball.
How's he doing?
Oh, really, JB.
Oh. That was me mate, Alice. She's got to go into hospital for a little operation. She needs someone to look after her daughter for a few nights. You don't mind, do you?
Couple of nights. It's a bit sudden, isn't it?
Yeah, well, she's desperate. And she got a last-minute cancellation. Anyway, we've got room at the inn here, and we can't refuse her anti-dye, can we? I mean, it's almost Christmas.
Should you be doing it right now?
Absolutely. Because little Mary needs me. I tell you what, this box has got the McQueens written all over it.
Well, not so. I found that wedge behind a crate in the cellar. I think it's Frankie's.
Yeah, that's definitely Cher.
I think someone's definitely in denial.
No. And anyway, I haven't got time to worry about what Mitchell might have done. I think we should all be focusing on poor Lisa. I bet she would want me to help out Mary and Alice in their hour of need. Am I right?
So, how do I look?
You look beautiful.
Ooh, are you poorly?
Is that why you've been holed up in your room for the last few days?
It's Fergus's funeral today.
What? Mum, why am I only just finding out about this?
The police only told me a few days ago that they were releasing the body. I just didn't want to tell you, not with you being so busy with all the Warren stuff.
I'm so sorry, Mum. So, what are the police expecting you to do?
Nothing. It's just a courtesy. We all know that he, you know. Look, Max. Fergus had a loving side that only I saw, so I suppose that's what I'm mourning. Anyway, I just want the whole thing behind me.
Maybe. The funeral will help you do that.
I'm not going. He doesn't deserve that.
Of course he doesn't. But you deserve closure.
No, Maxine.
We're gonna go together, Mum.
Mother! This jumper is hideous!
That's a camp screed.
That's really scary when you use your key on a non-cleaning day.
Listen to me, because this is serious. I'm raging.
Okay.
I thought we agreed you weren't going to treat me like a charity.
I didn't think I was.
Yes, I said you could help me out, low key. But I got pride. This is too much. I'm never going to be able to pay you back.
Pay me back for...
The massive bag of presents!
Wow, you really are raging. I promise I haven't bought anything for you yet.
Don't make me rub your nose in them like some naughty pup.
Is this some kind of weird foreplay?
What's this? Left on our front doorstep this morning.
Nope. And I definitely would have had mine professionally wrapped.
So who's playing Father Christmas with us then?
Ta-da!
Welcome home.
You know, I am dying for some human contact. It's been a while, if you know what I mean.
Am I just a human? Technically, yes. Superhuman, if you don't mind, considering I'm the one that set you free. With a little help.
Yes, and I am eternally grateful. But can we go to the pub now?
Sadly not. Have you forgotten about the twins?
No. They're at the top of my list. Have you two had a sense of humour bypass?
It's been a very tense week, Warren. So tense, and there's something that we still need to do before we can celebrate. Fergus, he's being cremated today.
What, have they not put him in a ditch somewhere?
My mum needs to face her demons. And I need you by my side, so... You are coming to the funeral with me.
Recycling done. I got us some coffees. How was cooked?
Yeah, fine. How are you?
Busy.
I mean, to be honest, I thought you'd want the day off.
No. Genuinely happy to get stuck in. Hi, girls. I just can't get my head around everything that's going on, honestly. I mean, Mitchell, a murderer. I'm so sorry about Lisa. I just can't believe it. I mean, honestly, this whole thing's just blowing my mind.
Well, Scott's in total shock. He's distracted himself with anything. Tony and Diane are going to keep a close eye on him, though.
It's bad enough that you've lost Lisa, and now what? The police reckon that your brother did it?
I'm sorry, but they found evidence.
Yeah, but he's a doctor. I mean, I lived with the guy. He's not a murderer.
Well, some people are a master when it comes to hiding things. Especially men. I mean, look what happened to Fergus. I think it's his funeral today.
Yeah, well, I bet everyone's hoping he'll burn in hell.
Well, look, no one deserves to suffer in silence. So I'm always here with a sympathetic ear and a cup of coffee.
Forget caffeine. I think we all deserve a few cocktails later. Who's in?
I am so sorry that I brought Fergus into your life.
Our lives, Mom. You're suffering too. Is that Fergus?
You're actually having a funeral. Wearing black, paying respects.
What do you want her to wear? A flowery dress? Would that be better?
It's unlikely any dress code could erase what that man did to these girls.
Oh, here he is, fresh out of prison, pretending you didn't know anything. Do me a favour.
Hey! I knew nothing about those cameras, got it?
If I could be taken in by Fergus, then he sure as hell could pull the wool over Warren's eyes. Now jog on, will you? Let us get this over with.
You're both as bad as he was.
Complicit is the word of the day.
I am nothing like he was.
You're exactly like him. Partners cut from the same dodgy cloth.
You're all stood here at his funeral.
What, you think I want to be here? I hated everything that man stood for. I'll show you how much I hated him.
Warren. Warren, you're supposed to be here supporting me.
Warren!
Warren!